Hi everyone! Welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to help you fix a slow computer startup. We'll guide you through the problem and provide solutions step by step. First step, let's check the startup programs. These programs launch when your computer starts, so too many of them can slow things down. To do this, open Task Manager by pressing Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape. Then click on Startup. Here you'll see a list of programs. If there are some you don't think you need when starting up, just right-click on them and hit Disable. This will prevent them from slowing down your PC. Secondly, we'll clean up your hard drive. Old disorganized files can slow down your computer. To clean it, type Disk Cleanup in the search bar and open it. Select the drive you want to clean. Make sure to uncheck the files you don't want to delete. Then check the temporary files and other files that you don't need. Select OK and then click Delete Files to delete it. Next, search Defragment and Optimize Drives. This arranges your files better, making them faster to access. Select your drive and click on Optimize. Thirdly, we'll make sure your PC is virus-free. Viruses can really slow down your computer. Let's make sure your PC is safe. To check for viruses, you need to open the Virus and Threat Protection. Just type it in the search bar at the bottom left of your screen. When the Virus and Threat Protection window opens, look for the scan options and click it. In the options, select Full Scan. Now click on Scan Now to start scanning your computer for viruses. This process might take some time, so feel free to continue with your work as the scan proceeds. Lastly, if you want a big speed boost, consider upgrading to an SSD. An SSD, or solid-state drive, is a faster type of hard drive. Switching to one can really speed up your PC start time. We hope you found this video helpful on how to speed up your startup. Thank you for watching and see you on next video.